once again, my YouTube friends. This is Norman, and this is NORMANSTV. I'm just getting ready for my gig. This is another episode of my vlog. I think this will be vlog number 6 or vlog number 7. I have another one that will be uploaded a few days from now. My event last Friday, and it was for a birthday party for a birthday girl, first birthday, and it was a balloon setup with my clown hosting service. So I think this is a new setup, a new background, new first time for me to vlog here in my small room, not in the car. But actually I'm getting ready to go down. A few minutes from now I'll be going down, and then this is a part of my weekly regular gig. But I just feel that I have to upload this gig of mine because it's a regular one, and this is a very important gig for me because maybe it is going for 4 years, and this one is really a good setup because it's only in the hospital. I think many of you saw already the setup there in the hospital. It's the same routine every Saturdays. So I hope maybe this time today, because it's the start of the school season here in the UAE, many kids will be there, and maybe a few more than the last time, and it will be fun later on. I think the transportation is here now, so I'm gonna go, and I hope to see you once again. Thanks. Okay, we are on the road. So, as I've told you before, on the road, going to event venue, my regular gig, same one, last vlog, every Saturdays. So there will be a little bit more kids than the last time, but not too much. I'm starting, and I'm making a butterfly. So I'm making a minion.
एउटा रिसेप्सन लिएर गयो अनि एउटा कामै गरेछ।
Okay, I'm back with the kids. Say hello. Little butterfly. Oh, I'm back, YouTube friends. This is Norman, Norman's TV. Oh, my balloon twisting event is now finished, and we are just packing up. The crew is here, guys. We're just packing up now. Okay, and we are going. I hope you like the video, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can watch the videos first before you click subscribe, and you can hit the notification bell button also, so that whenever I have a new video uploads, you can check it out, my videos. And then I will see you on the next vlog, YouTube friends. Bye.